How to change Outlook profile picture. So if you want to change your Outlook profile picture on your iPhone or on your Android, then you can't do that from the application. So what you need to do is simply go with a browser or Google, any search engine, and then you can simply go with the search bar and search for Outlook. Go with Outlook login, or you can simply go with your Microsoft account because it's the same thing. So just go with the Outlook or Microsoft and sign into your account. So simply tap on sign in and then again tap on sign in and enter your email, phone, or your Skype, and then tap on next and enter your password. Once you've logged in, you just need to simply go with the profile option, which is on the upper right, and then tap on my Microsoft account. Now once you tap on it, you will get this kind of interface. Again, go with the upper right, which has that profile, and tap on my profile, and here it will take you to your info, and here you will have your profile photo. So you can simply go with add a photo, tap on it, and then you can tap on add a photo, which is on the bottom of your screen, and it will take you to your gallery. From there you can simply add a photo and tap on save, which is on the bottom, and that's it. That's how you can change your Outlook profile picture. So in order to change your Outlook profile picture, you just need to simply go and change your Microsoft profile picture. Once you've changed, your Outlook profile picture will also be changed. Tap on close, and that's it. That's how you can change it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.